Student, welcome back to online classes. Today I am going to take the class for second standard. In this video we are going to study about our clothes. Why do we wear clothes? Clothes wear to protect our body. Cloth protect us from heat, cold and wind. Okay, see here children, our clothes. We wear clothes to cover and protect our body. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, wind, rain, dust, dirt, germs and insects. There are 3 seasons: summer, winter and monsoon. We need different clothes for different season. Okay, see here, cloth worn in summer. We wear cotton cloths in summer. Cotton cloths are light. They keep our body cool. We also wear linen cloths in summer. We get cotton from cotton plant. We get linen from flax plant. Linen and cotton are spun into thread. The threads are woven into cloths in mills. Cloth is also woven by hand on a loom. See here children, this is cotton plant, this is flax plant, this is cotton mill. See here, cotton mill. Okay, this is cotton cloths. Okay, cotton worn in winter. We wear woolen cloths in winter. They keep our body warm. We get wool from the fields of sheep and goat. Fields is the cotton coat or of woolen on sheep's body. See here sheep sharing a sheep. Okay, here woolen. We can knit woolen garments from this thread. You must have seen people knitting woolen cloths with their hands. Machines in factories are also used to knit garments. See here, woolen cloths. This is woolen cloths. Okay, we get silk from silkworm. Silk is a soft and shiny fiber. Okay, see here, silkworm. This is silkworm. Okay, cloths worn in rain. We wear cloths made of plastic or rubber during the rainy season. Okay, see here, in rainy season we have to wear plastics and or rubber. During the rainy season we have to wear this one. They protect us from water and keep us dry. They protect us from water and keep us dry. Okay, we also use umbrella. See here, umbrella. We also use umbrella to keep ourselves dry when it is rain. We also use umbrella to keep ourselves dry when it's rain. Okay, there are synthetic cloths made from nylon. These are light cloths. They dry fast during rainy season. Okay, see here children, clothes were according to work. What do you wear to your school? Students wear their school uniform. People in different workplace also wear special types of clothes called uniform. Okay, uniform gives them identifier. Doctor, lawyer, nurse, astronaut, policeman are a few example of people wearing uniform. Okay, see here in this picture, nurse. She is nurse. Then he is lawyer. He is soldier. He is a policeman. He is a astronaut. He is a postman. See here children, clothes were according to place. People belong to different place. People belong to different place, wear different type of clothes. Okay, see here, different types of clothes. Okay, see here children, the style of dresses wearing from place to place. In our country, India, women wear sari or salwar kameez. Women wear sari or salwar kameez. Men wear trousers, shirts, dhoti or kurta. Okay, clothes were on special occasion. On special occasions such as weddings, and birthday party, we wear special cloths. These cloths are made from silk fiber. Silk is obtained from silkworm. Okay, see here children, one activity is there. Tick the correct words to complete the sentence. Okay, we get linen from flax plant. We get linen from, you have to, cotton or flax is there, you have to tick the flax plant. Okay, linen cloths keep us cool or warm. You have to put the tick mark for cool. Linen cloths keep us cool. Here, student or teachers go to school in their uniform. You have to tick the student. Student go to school in their uniform. Okay, we get wool from cow or sheep. You have to put the sheep. We get wool from sheep. Okay, people wear silk cloths in wedding or hospital. People wear silk cloth in wedding. Okay, you have to put the wedding. Okay, see here children. Activity 2, say true or false. We wear different clothes according to different season. We wear different clothes according to different season. You have to write here true. We wear fur cloths in summer. We wear fur cloths in summer. You have to write here false. Okay. We get silk from sheep or goat. You have to write here false. We get silk from silkworm. Here written we get silk from sheep or goat. You have to write here false. Okay. Plastic cloths protect us from water. Plastic cloths protect us from water. Yes, true. You have to write here true. Uniforms give people their identifier. Of course, uniform give people their identify. You have to write here true. Okay, see here children. Activity 3. Identify these people by their uniform. Okay, see here. In this picture, he is a doctor. You have to write here doctor. He is a soldier. You have to write here soldier. Okay, this is police. P-O-L-I-C-E, police. You have to write here police. Okay, children. Okay, see here children. Answer the following question. Why do we wear cotton cloths? Why do we wear cotton cloths? Because they keep our body cool. Because they keep our body cool. Okay. How do we get cotton? How do we get cotton? We get cotton from cotton plant. We get cotton from cotton plant. Okay. Name a few cloths worn by the people of India. Name a few cloths worn by the people of India. Women wear sari, long skirt, ghagra, salwar, kameez. Men wear trouser, shirts, dhoti or kurta. Women wear saris, long skirt, ghagra, salwar, kameez. Then men wear trouser, shirts, dhoti or kurta. Okay. How do we obtain silk? How do we obtain silk? Silk is obtained from the cocoons of the Malabari silkworm. Silk is obtained from the cocoons of the Malabari silkworm. Okay children, I hope you can understand this lesson. Our cloths, you have to write and practice this question and answer.